children. So last class we have started the first unit of this year, maths, that is arithmetic progression. I told you the meaning of arithmetic progression. So we have the arrangement of numbers according to a certain rule. So yes, arithmetic progression is an arrangement of numbers such that the difference between any term with the previous term is a constant, and that constant is called a common difference. And I gave the general form. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, I gave the general form of the arithmetic progression. This is the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, that is the third term. If it continues, the nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. What will be the nth term? So nth term is represented by an. Nth term, that is an. Whenever term comes, use an. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know, small a, that is the first term, and D is the common difference. Now, using this, we shall try to solve some of the problems today. Now, go to first problem. Find the 14th term of an AP, given this 10 comma minus 5 comma minus 20. Whenever term comes, use an formula, that is an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you write the formula, you will get half mark. This is the nth term of an AP. Now what is this A? That is the first term. 10 is the first term. 10 is the first term. What is D? D, I have to find using this A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? Second term. That is minus 5 minus its previous term 10. It is plus 10, put as it is 10. Now, when minus comes back, minus 15 is the common difference. Once again, A2 minus 5. A1 minus. A1 is plus 10. If plus 10, put as it is. When minus comes back, minus 5 minus 10, you will get minus 15. Minus 15 is the common difference in this AP. Now, I am going to find 14th term, that is n, 14th, an. That is, we have to find A 14th term. That we have to find. So n is equal to 14. 14th term is equal to first term 10 plus bracket. What is the value of 14th term? We have to find. Therefore, n is equal to 14 minus 1. D value minus 15. Minus. Now simplify 10. This is into. Plus into minus, it will become minus. 14 minus 1 will become 30 into 15. This is 15 3s are 45. 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 4, 90. 195. 195. So when plus minus comes, subtract. Minus 195 plus 10. You have to subtract. This is the data 1 minus 195 is data 2. Minus 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 185. Minus 185 is the 14th term. 14th term of this A. Okay, whenever term comes, use an formula. N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now take the next problem, which term of an AP, 8 comma minus 4 comma minus 16 comma minus 28 dots is minus 880. Try to know. These are the terms of the given AP. Minus 880 is a term. Which term? Which term? That is, this is a term is given. An is equal to minus 880. Which term means you have to find n. You have to find n. So, term comes. Use term formula. That is, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. As usual, what is a? First term. 8. What is the common difference? Common difference is got by a2 minus a1. That is a2 minus 4 minus a1 is plus 8. Right as it is. When minus minus comes at minus 12 is the common difference. Okay. an, a term is given. Minus 880. A is given 8 plus n. Which term you have to find n? Which term? What is the number of this term? You have to find n. Put as it is. We don't know that. Put as it is. N minus 1. What is the common difference? Minus 12 is the common difference. Okay. Minus 880. Now, you take this plus side, this side, minus 8. Now, what remains? Plus into minus, minus 12. This is bracket means you have to multiply the term inside this. 12 into n, 12n, minus, minus into minus, plus 12 ones are 12. Okay. Now, when minus minus comes, add 880 plus 8, so that is minus 888. Now take this plus 12 this side, minus 12. Minus 12 is equal to minus 12n. Now when minus minus comes, add, that is 888. 8 to 10. This is 10. This is exactly you are getting 900 minus 900. This is equal to minus 12n. Minus minus goes. So I will write here 12n is equal to 900. 12n is equal to 900. Therefore, n is equal to 900 by 12. So 12n is 900. This coefficient goes down. 900 by 12. Divide 900 into 12. 900 by 12 you get 75. So n value is equal to 75th in this progression, in this AP minus 88 is the 75th term. Okay. Next, find the 15th term of an AP. So 6th term is minus 10 and 10th term is minus 26. Each problem will be different. Now, find the 15th term. You have to find 15th term. Given 6th term. 6th term is given minus 10. And 10th term is given minus 26. So, you know the general form of an AP. First term is a, second term is a plus b, third term is a plus b, like that. Sixth term will be a plus 5b. this term will be 1 less than this one, a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a plus 5d, that is equal to minus 10. A10 will be a plus 90, a plus 90 is equal to minus 26. And you do one thing, you write, let it be equation 1, let it be equation 2. Now if you observe, there are two equations. We have two unknown things, a and d, a and d. We don't know. So such equations with the two variables are called linear equations with two variables. I will solve like this, a plus 90 is equal to minus 26. Below I will take this equation, a plus 5d, that is minus 10. Now a and a both are same terms. When it get cancels, when we subtract this get cancelled. But this side is plus. We must have plus and minus. When subtract, this sign changes. Subtract. This minus, plus. Plus a minus a goes. When plus minus comes, subtract 9 minus 5, 4d. And minus 26 plus 10, you will get minus 16. So 4 is a factor of 16. 4 4s are 16. So common difference is minus 4. I got the value of t, common difference. Now you take this equation, a plus 5. I know the value of t, but it is minus 4 is equal to minus 10. Now a is equal to minus 10 plus into minus 5 4 is 20. A plus into minus 5 4 is 20 is equal to minus 10. I want the value of a is equal to minus 10. This minus 20 goes that side, plus 20. Now simplify, we have opposite signs, we have to subtract. Later one is plus 20 minus 10, we get 10. Now I know the values of first term and also the common difference. Then A15 will be A plus 14d. 15th term is A plus 14. So A 10, 14. What is the common difference? Minus 4. 10 plus into minus 56. Subtract this, you get minus 46. Minus 46 is the 15th term. Okay. Now find the number of terms of the AP. AP is given. Last term is minus 36. How many terms are there in this AP? How many terms means yet you have to find n. Last term is given. You follow the same method as you find in the previous problem, finding n. Now the first, whenever term comes, use an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this formula, a is first term 6, d is common difference a2 minus a1, a2 3, a1 6. You are getting minus 3 is the common difference. Now last term is given, an is given, that is minus 36. Now I will write like this. No, a plus n minus 1 into d is also equal to a. You can write like this. Now so I will substitute the values. A 6. I don't know the value of n minus 1, d is minus 3. Is equal to, the term is minus 36. Okay. Now n minus 1, I will take this term, that's it. Minus 3 into n, 3n, minus 3, minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3, minus 36. I have taken plus 6, that's it, minus 6. Now 3n is equal to, when minus comes, add, this is 42, minus 42. Minus 42. I have to take this plus 3 that side, minus 3. Minus 3. 3n is equal to minus 45. Now 3 is a factor of 45. 3 ones are 3 5. So n is equal to, this is the 15th term. 15, you give this sign. N is equal to, minus 36 is the 15th term. Now, next problem will be, how many 2-digit numbers divisible by 8? 2 digits start from 8 ones are 8 to the 16. Start from 16, and then 8 to the 16, 8 threes are 24, like. And the last digit is 8 8 are 64. 8 9s are 72. 72. 8 10s are 80. 8 10s are 80. 8 11s are 88. 8 12s are 100. So 96 is the last digit divisible by 8. There are two digit numbers. Start from 16. The last number is 96. 8 13s you will get 104. This is 3 digit number. That's last digit which is divisible by 8. Last number which is 2 digit. Last number which is divisible by 8 is 96. Observe, the difference between these two numbers is 8. 8 is the common difference, it's an 8. Now, I have to find the nth term. Similarly, you find an equal to a plus n minus 1 into e. If you find n, such numbers are divisible by 8. That is enough. Now, first term is a 16. The common difference is 8. And the last term is 96. So flip these values. A 16. N, you don't know. The common difference is 8. The last number is 96. That is the term. Which term is 96? I have to find. We have already did this type of problem. Now 8 into n, 8 n, 8 ones are 8 is 96. I will take plus 16 that side, minus 16. You will get 70. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 n. I will take minus 8 this side, plus 8. So 8 n is equal to 88. 8 is a factor of 88, goes by 8 11s. N is equal to 11. So you write 11 numbers starting from 16. 11 numbers of 2 digits. 2 digit 11 numbers can be divisible by 8. I think it's enough for today. So do these problems once again at home in the worksheet. And also you write these problems in the notes also. Have a nice day.